Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss what is conditional formatting and how we can apply conditional formatting in Excel. Conditional formatting is an option in Excel which help us to apply different type of formattings like cell color, font color, cell icons, and bars to one or more cells in a selected range based on the cell values. For example, in this workbook, we have a total mark in the G column. So we are planning to give a formatting like this. Those marks which are above 100, we want to see in a green color. And those marks which are below 100, we want to see in a red font color. For this, the first step is we need to highlight the range. So here I am selecting from G2 to G21, which is my range for total mark. So I highlighted G2 to G21. After highlighting, you can see the conditional formatting in the Home tab. In Styles group, conditional formatting, I select the option Manage Rules. After clicking on Manage Rules, I'm selecting the command New Rules. In New Rules, we can see 6 different options for rule type. I'm selecting the second option, that is Format only cells that contain. After selecting the second option, we go to the Edit the Rule Description section, where between I am changing to greater than or equal to, because I am planning to give a green color for those marks which are above 100, which includes even 100 also. So after selecting greater than or equal to, I type my criteria, that is 100. I click on Format. In the Font tab, I'm selecting the color from the drop down button. I click on the drop down button and I select a green color. I click on OK. OK in this window. Again, I am selecting new rule because I want to give a red font color for those marks which are below 100. So I click on new rule, format only cells that contain. Same like before, this time I'm changing this between button to less than 100. I click on format, select the font tab, color, red font color I pick, click OK, OK, apply OK. So that we can see in the total range, the marks which are above 100 is in green color now, and the marks which are below 100 are in red color. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos.